Imagine this, in just few months, you are confidently speaking English, understanding English conversation and making friends in English without any hesitation. It's not just a dream. With the right techniques, it can happen fast. Today, I'm sharing the best tips that I learned took me from struggling to speaking English confidently. And if you follow them, they can work for you too. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful methods to learn English effectively and quickly. I have been in your shows, and when I started, English seems overwhelming, but I found some hacks that's made it easier, more enjoyable, and super effective. Step 1. Don't rely on textbooks. Sure, textbooks are useful, but if you only study grammar and vocabs list, you will get bored quickly. To learn English quickly, you need to bring English in your real life. Starts with a small. Change your phone language to English, or watch your favorite shows or programs with English subtitle. I used to watch English movies every day, although I would not understand everything. It helped me start picking up phrases. Soon enough, English started feeling natural, and it was actually fun. Next step, speak as much as possible. When I first started, I was nervous about making mistakes, but then I joined language exchange app and I joined a few English groups online. A few minutes each day, real conversation made all the difference. Step 3. Best parts. People don't care if they are perfect. They just want to talk. Starts with the simple conversations and build from there. Remember, speaking every day a little bit will help you to learn faster than one big study in a week. The next step. Now here is golden rule. Learn phrases, not just individual words. Knowing the word coffee is fine, but knowing the phrase, "Can I get a cup of coffee, please?" makes you sound more fluent. I wrote down whole phrases in my notebook and I practiced saying them out loud. It helps me to feel more confident when I spoke, and I did not have to think as hard. Learn phrases you will use every day, like ordering food, asking for help, or saying thank you. And here is a powerful tip. Surround yourself with English every day. Make it part of your life. I listened to podcasts when I was doing something, watch English-speaking YouTubers, and even followed English accounts on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram. The more you listen and watch, the faster it will stick. Those things you actually enjoy, whether it's travel videos, cooking shows, or music. When you enjoy what you are listening to, learning becomes easy. Finally, don't worry about your mistakes means you are learning. When I first started, I was embarrassed every time I made a mistake, but then I realized mistakes are the part of the process and they actually help you to improve. One time, I tried to say bitch and accidentally I'd said something else, but I laughed it off and I was learned from it. Just remember, laugh at your mistakes and keep going. To sum up, don't rely on textbooks, speak every day, learn phrases, surround yourself with English, and don't worry about mistakes. Follow these steps and you'll be surprised and how quickly you can start speaking English confidently. Are you ready to start? Let me know in the comment below what's hardest for you in learning English, and I'll be there to help.